Okay, so the way you want to set up your store is you're going to go to a website. If you don't have a System AI account, make sure to go to the description box and click the link. If you have one already, then just follow along. You're going to go to websites. You're going to hit digital stores. Click on digital stores. I already have a store here. If you wanted to create a store, all you have to do is hit create, put in the name, the domain. So I have my own domain and they also provide one. I do recommend for you to get a professional domain. You can get one through Namecheap. I will be leaving the link below for that as well. If you want to get a professional domain, then your URL path is going to be the name of the store. So let's say the name of your store is my store, and it's going to come up here. This is where you're going to click on to share with your audience, and you're going to select the language to save. But since I am only allowed one store, I won't be able to make another store. As you can see here, you have reached the limit available of digital stores for your plan, which is the free plan, which is okay. You can do so much with one store. So once you create your store, you're gonna be inside your store. You're gonna select out of the templates that are available. And if you wanna click on the design, just hit on the right corner, on the top corner on the right. And these are all they have. They have these three here. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So I have 12 templates to choose from. I selected this one here and I left it as is. You can change your colors. You can change the heading fonts, the body fonts. So I'm gonna go back. Once you finish with your template and you finish designing it how you want, you're gonna go and hit apply theme. I don't know why my thing's acting up. Okay, so let's say that you want to edit your header. So you're gonna put in your photo of your business, logo, whatever it is. You're gonna name your store. Then you're gonna put in the bio and you're gonna add links. They have social links to choose from. They have Instagram, TikTok, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest. They have LinkedIn, Snapchat, a bunch of stuff, Twitch. You can put in SD, you can put in your email, whatever you want people to contact you through. You can put in a bunch of stuff here. So I'm only going to use YouTube for now. Hit save, and it's going to come up on the screen here for your store, as you can see. So the logo, the title, then your bio, and your links are going to be here at the top. So I only have YouTube. So if I had more, you'll see them here, like YouTube. Um, what's the other one? YouTube, Instagram, which I probably link later. So for now, I actually should put them in now. I'm gonna put them in now. So I'm gonna add my username. I think it is 100 pure honey bee. Sorry, I live next to the fire department and the police station. So I'll be pausing this for a second. So if you want to add a product, you're gonna go to add a product, add a new product. You can select a link to redirect your potential customer subscribers. You can collect emails. You can sell a digital download, and you can sell a course. So if you want to sell a course, just click on that. Same thing. You're gonna put in thumbnail, title, button, subtitle, and then hit next. But obviously, we don't want that, so save as draft. I don't have a digital product yet. So if you want to direct people to an external link, you're gonna select external link. You're gonna add your image thumbnail, which you can easily design on Canva for free. And all the links for everything that I am mentioning, like I said before, I will be leaving them in the description box below for your convenience. Then you're gonna put in your title, your button. So I put launch your business for my title, and then I put claim your free account from my button. You can put start here. You can put download now. Whatever it is, you can type it in there. Then your subtitle for whatever you're selling, whatever you're promoting, whatever you're giving out for free. And then you're going to paste your URL here for the item that you're giving. So I am giving away a free course. That's the link that's going to send them to a free course. Once you're done filling this out, you're just going to hit publish. So to put the link there, you're going to obviously put it here. So hit publish. And then if you want to sell a product, so you're going to hit create a new product, select a digital download. You're going to get your thumbnail, upload it here. Then you're going to put in your title, your button. So I put digital marketing blueprint, which is what I'm selling. It's a ebook. Then for the button, I put get instant access. And then for the subtitle, your step-by-step guide to online success. After that, you're going to go to the next step, which is going to be checkout page. And this is where people are going to obviously check out to purchase your item. You're going to select the image of whatever you're giving them. So this is the image of the actual book that I am selling. The title here, the button that people are going to click on to get your book. And then here is going to be the description of the item that I'm selling or the product. So the product that I'm selling, here are all the details. And here's where you collect the information from the people who are purchasing your item or subscribing to your items or your courses. So you have first name, email, you can add a field. You want to put the last name, phone number. I have the first name, email. You can always play along with this if you want the email to be first and the names to be second. I always like my the name to be first and then the email. After that, you're gonna price plan your product. So you're gonna select the product that you are selling. So I uploaded the PDF file here. And you can easily create PDF files in Microsoft Word. What I did, Microsoft Google Docs is that's where I did my document with the help of ChatGPT. So you can start this business with no experience. You just have to do a little work here and there, but it's not that difficult. And then you're gonna select your payment methods. So I have credit cards, Apple Pay, and PayPal. Gonna hit save. In order to integrate PayPal or any other payment, you're gonna have to do that through your Systeme.io, and I will make a separate video for that. If you guys are interested in that, please comment below and let me know if you want to see a video, me making a video of that. Then once you're done with that, you're gonna go to digital download. This is where they're gonna download your actual product. So you select the name, you're gonna put in the product. So here I have the same thing, the confirmation email. So the digital product, you're gonna put it here. So click upload and that's where it's gonna appear. And confirmation email. So here's the confirmation email that we'll get. They will be receiving a confirmation email. So you're gonna put in the subject, you're gonna put in the paragraph in the body here, thanking them and letting them know about the product they will be receiving, making sure that you do link it. So here's a URL link. Then you will put your whatever you're giving away, ebook or selling, and then you hit save. And after that, you're gonna go to the thank you page, and then the same thing. You're gonna add some text. So thank you for your order, and that is it, guys. Your store is published. Say publish, and you want to see your store. You're gonna hit view, and this is how your store's gonna look like. It's pretty cool, pretty dope. I believe you can sell physical products, but I'm only selling digital products here. Let's say someone is interested in launching their business and they want to claim their free account. They're going to click here and it's going to take them to Systeme.io, which is what I am promoting. And I will be getting a small kickback if they upgrade to that plan. If they don't, well, I don't get anything. But and then if they want to buy, let's say someone wants to buy my digital marketing blueprint ebook, all they have to do, let's say this is a website, all they have to do is click in to get instant access and they'll see the cover and then they'll see a little bit about what they will be getting in the book. And all they have to do is put in their first name, email, then they can select the payment method, which is credit card, or they can select PayPal. It's pretty cool, right? And then they'll have instant access once they put in all the fields that are required. Let's say for the last one, it's going to be for them to subscribe to the newsletter. So they'll get the latest news and updates for whatever I am doing. So all they have to do is put in their name, email, and hit subscribe, and they'll get the newsletters from me. And that is it. If you enjoyed this video and you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up so that other people can see it as well. It will reach more people and it will also help my channel. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.